This is the Soundfire speaker, 270 watt peak power, 3-way, 4 ohms, 6 by 6 inch. You can see the cost here, 1599, but you can get it in a deal for about 750 or 800. Maximum music power 270 watt, nominal power 45 watt. Speaker size is 6 by 6 inch, 4 ohms, sensitivity 101 dB, 3-way speaker. Soundfire is the brand name. This is the actual speaker. You get the cover. Quality is good. This is the actual speaker. Quality is good. You have the branding here, Soundfire. Lit the sound, 274 watt max. Make in India. Let's try to test this. I'll try to install this in my car and I'll try to share the output. This is the sound quality from the speaker. It's not great, but it is good for this price range. I'll share the link in the description for you to buy the speaker.